Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 5. All right, so it says a function is graphed on the coordinate plane. All right, so we can see the function here graphed, and we can see 4 choices. Select the function that is graphed on the coordinate plane. All right, so we don't really graph square root functions in Algebra 1, but we know this is a square root function because it has the square root symbol here for all of the equations. So what this is really asking us is determine the transformation. Now, if you could use your calculator, you could simply type this in and see which graph looks like the graph. But if you look, this is still the non-calculator part of the test. So we have to figure out which one is the equation without looking at it. So if you remember transformations, we have looked at transformations quite a bit. Even though we haven't looked at square roots, we have looked at transformations. And we know that the H and the K shift us. So the H shifts us left or right, opposite the sign, okay, opposite the sign. And K shifts us up or down, same as the sign. And this is the same for all types of equations. And you will study square root equations more when you get to Algebra 2. But right now we just need to look at the transformation. So if we know that it has went left 2 units and down 1, because you can see here's where the graph begins. So we're going to go left 2. Left is a negative movement, but remember it's going to be opposite the sign. So we need a plus 2. So it's probably going to be this one. And then we go down 1. And when you go up or down, it's the same sign. So C is the only one it could be. And that can be determined, again, just knowing that H and K, this is in vertex form, H moves you horizontally on the x-axis opposite the sign, and then K moves you vertically up or down, same as the sign. And that works for most all transformations regardless of the shape. So the best answer for number 5 is C.